Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you or give you some general instructions on how to uninstall your old RV microwave and install a new RV microwave. Now keep in mind these are just general instructions for it, and you should always follow the instructions as outlined by the manufacturer for your specific model. As far as the tools you'll need to use, it's pretty simple. You should only really need a screwdriver or a screw gun. With that being said, let's go ahead and get to it. Starting off, we'll take out the 4 screws from the old microwave and the trim. You should also remove the turntable and ring before you pull the microwave out. Then we'll start taking out the old microwave and trim as one piece, as they're still connected together. Remember, the old microwave is still plugged in. I would highly recommend having someone unplug the microwave for you as you take it out, or hold the microwave for you as you unplug it. We will remove the screws from the bottom vent cover of the old microwave, and then we will remove the bottom vent cover itself. After that, now is a good time to clean up the empty cabinet space of any dust or debris, or any little dust bunnies that might be in there. Once we're done with that, we're going to measure and draw a center line on the bottom of the cabinet from the front to the back. Once we've measured our center line, we will place the duct bottom of the new microwave in the cabinet, lining up the notch on the front of the duct bottom with the center line we just made. Once we have it all lined up, we'll screw the bottom duct into the cabinet bottom, just like the old one was. You can probably use the old screw holes if you are replacing the same model. Once we're done with that, we need to do some assembly on the new microwave itself. First, we will screw the trim onto the microwave. Once that's done, we'll screw on the upper duct to the microwave, also using 4 screws. Once that's done, the microwave is ready to be plugged in. The microwave is ready to be inserted. Once that's done, all we need to do is screw the trim to the cabinet. Just be careful not to over tighten the screws, as it can kind of bend the trim ring. And that's about all there is to it when it comes to installing a new RV microwave and taking out an old RV microwave. But like I said in the beginning, you should still always follow the installation process as outlined by the manufacturer of your specific model of RV microwave. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button and remember to subscribe as well. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.